Students. This is a tutorial to show you how to access Microsoft OneNote, particularly from first semester to second semester, or if you're a first-time user and this happens to be the beginning of the year, you'll be doing the same process. So what you're going to want to do is go to the www.geneva304.org/Geneva High School main page, which is where I'm at now. If you go to Students, and then scroll down to Office 365. Go ahead and click on that. And once there, it's going to open up your email, which I already have open, as you can see. And I'm going to go to the upper left corner here where the waffle, open up the app launcher to access, and you'll see here OneNote. That's what you want as opposed to the class notebook. So click on OneNote. And as it's loading, you'll see, once it loads, excuse me, you'll see all of your respective OneNote notebooks available from first semester, but also the ones that your teachers have set up for second semester as well. Now, this is going to be the online version of OneNote, and if you're aware, there are two versions that you can access. The online version is wonderful. It has all the features you're going to want. Unless, of course, you happen to not necessarily be online, which I'll kind of walk you through here as well. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Shared with Me. And under Shared with Me, I have several notebooks, as you can see, because I have several classes for not just this year, but in prior years. But let's just pick a class. So this year, I am teaching. I'll just pick one here. Let's see. It is my semester 2 group of students that I want to kind of give you guys an access point to. So we'll go ahead and check out. As you can see, I have several different years as well. We'll just go ahead and try my period 1 semester 2 notebook. So once you click on period 1 semester 2, it'll take a moment. And again, this will be the online access point. Everything that you really want to take a look at, you won't see all these names. Those are my access points for all the students if I want to share to each individual student. You're going to click on the content library, for example, and under the content library, for example, let's say you want to look at what we did in Unit 5 for this particular day, Section 5.2. And there you have it. Those are the notes for that particular day. And if you are, in fact, on OneNote online and refresh your screen now and again, and you happen to be at home, you will see this more or less be done in real time as I do it. So if you happen to not be in school that day. What I'm going to go ahead and do and more or less give you guys another kind of viewing here, which is fantastic if, of course, you're not online, let's say. You do have the ability to open it in OneNote, and the OneNote 2016 version, which is primarily what I teach from. It's what I'm able to write on, as you know. That's going to kick it over to, there it is. This is the same exact set of notes that I had open. Now, this is, as you know, the pre-installed version of OneNote. I believe it comes with all of our Microsoft Office 365 tools. I have several windows open. These are all the classes that I teach. But that just gives you some insight as to, again, if you're not online, once this syncs up, you can access notes and homework and all the other resources anytime. If you don't happen to have this already open and saved, you can actually pin it to your taskbar. I already have it pinned, but if you don't, click on that. You'll right-click like I just did, and you'll select Pin to Taskbar, so it's always available for you. So you don't actually have to go through for my particular class once you've already synced it up to your desktop, let's just say, this particular version, 2016. All you had to do is click on the little icon down at the bottom, and it should open it to the particular class that you want it to. Now, if you have other class notebooks you want open, let's say you don't just want period 1. Let's say you are in a different class, period 4, which is, who knows, maybe your science class, that kind of thing. You'll be able to access it that way. All the OneNote features that we've been accessing all year are very much the same, and you'll be able to take a look at that and play around as you did first semester. This should